Drones are so cool, they fly like birds, but they are robots. You control them. Drones are becoming very popular. More people are flying drones than ever before. Why? Because they are fun. Drones are also useful. They can take pictures, they can deliver things, they can even help police officers. Are you ready to learn about drones? Let's go. There are many types of drones. Some drones are small and easy to fly. Others are big and powerful. The most common type of drone is the quadcopter. It has 4 propellers. This makes it very stable. Some drones have cameras. You can use them to take amazing pictures and videos from the sky. Other drones are used for racing. They can go very fast. Drones are made up of many parts. The most important parts are the propellers, motors, battery, and camera. The propellers spin around and create lift. This allows the drone to fly. The motors make the propellers spin. They are powered by the battery. The camera takes pictures and videos. Some cameras can even stream live video to your phone. Flying a drone is easier than you think, but it is important to start slowly and practice in a safe place. First, make sure your drone is charged up, then find a large open area with no trees or power lines. Now turn on your drone and your controller. Slowly push the left stick forward to make the drone go up. Use the right stick to turn the drone left or right. Have fun. Section 5, Safety First. Rules for drone pilots. Drones are a lot of fun, but it's important to fly safely. Always follow these rules. Never fly your drone over people. Never fly your drone near airports. Always keep your drone in sight. Don't fly your drone too high. Be careful when flying in windy conditions. Respect other people's privacy. Remember, safety first. Section 6. Can I fly here? Knowing the drone laws. Before you fly your drone, it's important to know the rules. Every country has different laws about drone flying. In most places, you need to register your drone if it's over a certain weight. You also need to get permission to fly in some areas, like near airports or government buildings. You can find out more about drone laws online. Always fly responsibly. Section 7. Drones at work. From pictures to packages. Drones are not just for fun, they're used for many different jobs. Photographers use drones to take amazing pictures and videos. Farmers use drones to inspect their crops. Construction workers use drones to inspect bridges. Police officers use drones to search for missing people. Drones are even used to deliver packages. Section 8. Drones in the future. What's next? Drones are becoming more and more advanced. In the future, we can expect to see even more amazing things from drones. Drones might be used to deliver our groceries. They might be used to transport people. They might even be used to explore other planets. The possibilities are endless. Section 9, ready to fly? Take off on your drone adventure. Drones are an exciting new technology. They are fun to fly and they can be used for many different things. If you're interested in learning more about drones, there are many resources available online and in your community. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start flying.